Alrighty, now to start things off with the desk itself, I ended up going with the Jarvis powder coated standing desk from Fully. I did quite a bit of research actually before I went and pulled the trigger on this thing, but what I liked most about them is that they are completely customizable down to the color, the actual size and shape of the desk. There's a bunch of different things that you can kind of customize and get things set up. I've really been happy with it. Very high quality, and the powder coated desk surface is absolutely phenomenal. It is scratch resistant, heat resistant, all that kind of stuff. Now I guess if we're going to be working our way from left to right, I have my wireless charger of choice. This is actually made by Rav Power. It's from their new Hyper Air series, and this newer Hyper Air technology has heat dissipation. It's a fast charger. I really like the design. It kind of fits in with the whole theme of everything, and I like that it keeps my phone upright, so that I could still use it while I'm using it on the desk. So next up, I have the Logitech MX Sound. These are very minimal Bluetooth speakers, but they work very well for my setup. For the most part, for what I bought them for, about $80 to $100, they're definitely not that bad of sounding speakers. Alright, now up next, I have my MacBook Pro here. This has been my ride or die since it came out in about mid 2016. I picked it up. This is the 2 terabyte model, and I have it paired up with the iQnix. This is their vertical laptop stand, and I also have a super dope Matrix Slickwraps on my computer. This is probably one of the best looking wraps I've ever seen on any device at all. I have it on my iPhone 10 as well, but I've really been loving my MacBook Pro and this setup. I can really plug into this entire setup with one USB-C Thunderbolt 3 cable, and it's super nice. It plugs in my audio, charges my computer. I have access to multiple peripherals, which I'll get into in a moment, but in general, I've really been loving my MacBook Pro experience. And with this setup, tried to completely go dongleless so I can just plug in with one cord and have all my peripherals ready to go. Now coming up next is the Thunderbolt 3 docking station that I've been using. A company called Plugable actually sent this out for review, and I've really been loving this for my setup. It allows me to have everything plugged into this dock, so I can just plug one cord into my MacBook Pro pretty seamlessly, and it'll connect to my SD card reader, connect to my speakers, and to my 4K monitor here. Now speaking of monitors, this is the LG 27UD88. This is a 27-inch 4K monitor. It's USB-C enabled. I really have been enjoying it since I've gotten it, and it is paired with the VIVO single LCD monitor arm. These are just things I picked up from Amazon. Getting to my keyboard, this is the old reliable. It's the Logitech K750. It's their solar power keyboard. It's just been reliable. I haven't found any wireless backlit keyboards that have taken me from this keyboards. I've really loved it over the years. Now actually getting to the mouse of choice, this is the Logitech MX Master S2. I've been using Logitech mouses since the original MX came out for many years now, and this is just their refined version of it. Most creators that I know use this mouse. I absolutely love it. It's completely customizable. I do have a Slickwraps Mouse Pad as well. This is the Stormtrooper edition, but it just goes well with the powder coated desk and the two-tone of the gray. Now I guess kind of stepping back and taking a look at some of the lights, I use a combination of the Philips Hue bulb in this Hector lamp here, and I also use a Philips Hue Strip along the back of my desk here, as well as the Nanoleaf Rhythm, the 9-pack that I got. I was pretty late to the whole Nanoleaf thing, but they really are super cool lights. I want to get some more, but these are the 3 kind of lights that tie my desk together. And last but not least, underneath the desk here, not only do I kind of have my up and down switch for the desk, I have my Transcend SD card reader connected to my Thunderbolt 3 dock, and I also have my headphone mount. I don't even remember the name of this mount. You can find them on Amazon, but I basically just Gorilla taped it to the bottom of this desk here to keep the current headphones that I'm using at the moment. And that's actually going to wrap up this video. I just want to give you guys a brief tour, kind of show you the updated things that I use as far as my desk setup. I really want to go functional and minimal as much as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out my last couple videos, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.